Hey guys, welcome back to Frequently Asked Questions, guys. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to check pending deposits on Cash App. So let's get right into it, guys. So first things first, open up the Cash App on your mobile device and log into your account if you have not done this already. And once you're on the home screen, guys, what I want you to do is I want you to look for the Activity tab. So it's basically the clock icon, which is located at the bottom of the screen. You want to tap on it to view your recent transactions. So here, guys, you'll find, you know, a list of completed and pending transactions. Pending deposits will typically have a status that is labeled as pending or in progress. You want to tap on the transaction to get more details, such as the amount, the sender's information, or any additional steps that is actually required to complete the deposit. So, guys, if the deposit is basically stuck in pending, you want to make sure your linked bank account or debit card details are actually correct. Okay, so you may also need to verify your Cash App account for larger transfers. And that's it, guys. Okay, now you can check. You know how to check pending deposits on Cash App. And if this video helps you out, guys, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to Frequently Asked Questions. Turn on those bell notifications, guys, so I can see you guys in the next one.